Hey guys, and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness here on Patreon. Today we have your Sledgehammer Quickboxing workout number 2 for you with an extra bit of ab brutality right there at the end. So it should be very quick, very efficient, but very, very challenging. So what you'll need for this workout is some water and your amazing body. You don't need anything else but that. If you want to add a weighted vest, or some small hand weights to make the punches a little more challenging, I encourage you to do that. That would be awesome. But other than that, just get ready with those things or nothing at all, and I will meet you back here for the warm-up. Let's go crush this quick boxing workout. All right, Sledgehammers, let's get ready with that warm-up. Here we go. We're just going to start by opening up those hips. I'm going to make sure that my mic is 100% on. Yep, sounds like it is. All right, looks like it is. Hopefully it sounds like it is. We're just going to open those hips. We're going to be kicking a lot today, so we want to make sure our hips are ready to do good work. You can even keep it on one side for a couple, and then switch to the other. We're going to have some fun today. Whew. Now, let's go down into some side-to-side toe touches. Now, if you can't get there right now, if you are still feeling like I need to work into my range of motion for my joints, that is totally fine. You can stick here. Then as you feel a little more flexible, a little more warm, you can reach for those toes or maybe reach for that shin. Sit back, feel your glutes starting to warm up. Awesome. All right. Shake it out a little bit here. We're going to get in a nice wide stance and just start punching. Tighten that core. Just opening up those punches here, opening up our shoulders, getting our back warmed up, getting those abs warmed up. Now let's start to pivot with those feet. A lot of the power from our punches is going to come from those legs. So get ready to use them. All right, let's go into some hooks. Good job. Now for this workout, you can add some small hand weights if that's good for you. Totally not necessary though. Let's get some uppers here. Couple more seconds here. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now we're going to go into some kicks. If you're not quite ready for a kick yet, you can just do some knees. These are just belt kicks, so they don't have to be super high. Nice soft knee. Keep those hands up, protecting that face. 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. Your warm-up is complete. All right, guys, you have 15 seconds to get into this move. We're just going to start off with those punches. You can add a knee at the end, but we're going to do 2 crosses, 2 hooks. You can add a knee if you want to, or you can just keep it at 2 crosses. Okay? So if you just want to keep it here, you can just cross, hook, use those legs to pivot you. You can down. 8 seconds. You can, again, But if you just like to get your punches in on that one, that's fine. Okay, now we're going to kick with the left, cross with the right, hook with the left, hook with the right. So kick, cross, hook, hook. Okay? All right. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Hand up, cross, hook, hook. Engage those abs. Cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. You. Very good. All right. All right, guys, we are going to do a kick, switch, kick. Kick, kick. This was not working with that vest. I'm afraid it was banging my mic all to pieces, so took off the vest. You keep yours on. Kick it up. Hands up. 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right. Now we're going to do a right kick. We're going to cross with the left, hook with the right, hook with the left, okay? All right. 1 second. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Pivot that foot. Halfway there. Keep those arms up. Standing legs should be burning. Here we go. You got it. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to cross times 2 with 2 elbow strikes. So you're coming here, here, and you're going to slam that elbow. Boom, boom. Cross, cross, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. You can boxer shuffle or just keep it going. You got it. You can move all around. Pretend like your opponent is everywhere. You can shuffle it. Almost there. Have fun with it. Awesome. Very good. All right. Now we're going to jab it. We're going to tuck. And then we're going to do 4 belt kicks. So, here we go. Jab it twice. Tuck. Jab it twice. Tuck. Jab it twice. Tuck. Tuck. Then we're going to kick. 2, 3, 4. Kick. 2, 3, 4. Kick. 2, 3, 4. Now you can also, if you don't like that tuck, just switch those feet. Awesome. All right. Whew. All right, now we're gonna knee 2 times with the left, kick with the left, back kick with the right. So, whew. Here we go. So knee, knee, kick, back kick. Look where you're going. Knee, knee, kick, knee, knee, kick, back kick. Knee, knee, whew, kick, back. Whew. Back kick, my mat is killing me here. Whew, good job. All right. Now we're going to duck and hook. So come down, hook, 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 hook. Okay? All right, try to pivot those feet. Here we go. Cover that face. Don't worry if things shake when you pivot that foot. Muscle shakes. Then we're going to do those 2 knees on the right, back kick. I'm just going to move my mat for this time. Excellent. All right, let's get that out of the way. Whew. Get a little drink. All right, so we're going to knee that right one, knee, knee, kick, back kick, okay? You'll have one leg that's just like, what? Is that my leg? Whew. Forgot what I was doing. That's okay. You're in glad company, so no big deal. All right, now we're going to do a high, medium, low punch, what I'm calling a flying power kick to the left and hop back in place. So high, medium, low, hop and kick, get back to the beginning. 1, 3, kick, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, get low, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, low, 1, 2, 3, low, 1, 2, 3, get low, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Very good. All right. 2 punches, down punch with a knee up. So 1, 2, down punch, knee up, start again. 1, 2, 3. Start again. 1, 2, 3, knee up, start again. If you just like the punch with the down punch, you could do 3 punches. Just depends on what you want to do. All right, high, medium, low punch with a kick, hop it back, okay? Whew. Good times. All right. So, high, medium, low, kick, hop it back. High, medium, low, kick, hop it back. High, medium, low. 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 Halfway through. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. Woo! High, medium, low. High, medium. All right, now we're gonna elbow twice. We're gonna upper twice. We're gonna twist with those abs twice. So elbow, elbow, upper, upper. 1, 2. Start again. Elbow, 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 upper, upper. 1, 2. You could even do 4. Elbow, elbow, upper, upper. 1, 2, 3. Elbow, elbow, upper, upper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbow, elbow, upper. 1, 2, 3. Elbow, elbow, upper, upper. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can box or shuffle to help you get back in. So after each one, okay. Good job. All right, your first round is done. All right, guys, we are going into round 2. We are starting with that first move, which is a cross, another cross, 2 hooks, okay? If you want to add those knees, you can. You could even add a side kick if you want to. Cross, cross, hook, hook. Here's what the side kick would look like. I like that. A little bit easier to navigate than the knee. You can also keep it here. And just go faster. I like to give you guys options in case a move just isn't working for you. This round, we're working on perfecting the moves with not the expectation of being perfect, but getting them a little better, a little quicker. Awesome. Whew. Left kick, right cross, left hook, right hook. All right. So here, cross, hook, hook, okay? Whew, here we go. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick. Cross, hook, hook. Left, right, kick. Standing leg should be burning. Oh yeah. Awesome. Whew, nice burn. All right. Cross, cross, elbow strike, elbow strike. So if you want to add more to this, cross, cross, elbow, elbow. Maybe you curtsy. Cross, cross, elbow, elbow. Guard that face. You can always keep it here. You can curtsy. Cover that face. Get nice and deep. 8 seconds. You can add a hop Whew, whatever you want to do. All right. All right, guys, I've gotten these all out of order. We're doing a right kick, a left cross, right hook, left hook. All right. Whew. Here we go. So right kick, left cross, hook, hook, kick, cross, hook, hook. Kick, 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 smile, kick. Make sure you're on a floor that you can pivot on. Now we're going to add those switch stance jabs with a jump or a tuck in here. Okay, doing that times 4 belt kicks. Okay, so jab, one more, jab it out. This is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Contract those abs. Very good. Excellent job. All right. Knee, kick, back kick. Starting with that left leg first. So 2 knees, kick, back kick. Shove that heel out for that back kick. You could do this one with a kick with the laces, pointed toe, if you want. You could change it every other time. I'm kind of doing that. Very good. Awesome job. Okay. We're going to duck and hook. This would be a great spot to put in some hand weights if you want to do that. So, hook. Pivot. Feel that contraction in your glutes and your abs as you twist and pivot. Go faster. Cover that face. 3, 2, 1. All right, good job. All right. Woo-hoo. All right. Knee times 2 to the right. Kick to the right, back kick. Here we go. Almost through with this part. Here we go. Knee, knee, kick, back kick. You choose your kick. Here I'm kicking with laces. That heel out in the back. There I flex the foot. Plant it. Look back for that back kick. Don't go so fast that it won't work for you. Balance-wise. Tighten your core. 2, 1. Very good. All right. High, medium, low punch. Flying power kick. Hop it back, okay? So we're going to punch with our right. We're going to do that power kick with our left. You guys are doing awesome. Woo. Okay. Here we go. High, medium, low. Kick. Back. High, medium, low. 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 10 seconds. Medium, low. High, medium, low. High, medium, low. Ah, great job. All right. So here we've got that 2 punches plus a down punch with a knee up, or you can stick to 3 and down. So you're either here, 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. 2, whoops, 3, knee. 1, 2, 3, knee. Or you're 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 2, down. 1, 2, down. 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Less than 10. I'm going to stick here. I like the challenge. 1, 2, down. 2, 3, down. Got a little off there at the end. That's all right. Whew. All right. High, medium, low punch. Kick to the right. Hop it back. Breathe it out. All right. Here we go. High, medium, low. Hop it back. High, medium, low. Hop it back. High, medium, low. 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 You're doing great. Have fun. 2, 3. About 5 seconds. Give it your all. Awesome. Now you've got those 2 elbows, 2 uppers, ab twist. I think I'm going to make mine times 4 there. All right. 1. Again, you can add that boxer shuffle in between to get you set back up. Or leave it as is. Or you can be like me and add hooks that aren't even in this combo. Just have fun. Even if you get confused, like me. 1, 2, upper, upper. 4. Very good, guys. All right, just kidding about that being the last exercise. I noticed there was an extra interval and that I forgot the switch stance kick. So this time to make them harder, we're going to switch, knee, kick. Switch, knee, kick. Switch, knee, kick. Okay? Here we go. Switch, knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick. Contract those abs. Knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick, knee, kick. Doing good, almost there. all done with this. Take a little break and we'll be back for the abs. Okay guys, we're ready for that ab set. Your first move is going to be a banana split. So if you're a super beginner, what I want you to do for this one is just go from one side to the other and practice balancing. You can add a little oblique V up if you want. Okay, now if you're doing the full move, for a banana split, you're going to come back, roll over to one side, roll over to the other side. You're going to do a star sit up, come back down, okay? Then start it again. Now, if you're going to do my bonus move, you're going to come one side, the other side, do the star sit up. You're going to roll it back and tuck. So that's a banana split with a cherry on top. So you have 5 seconds to get into that. 30 seconds each move with 5 in between. So start on that back, take it to one side, take it to the other, star sit up, and roll it back, tuck it up. Okay, come back down. One side, other side, star sit up, roll it up, tuck it up, and back down. All right, next we're going to a side plank hip dip with a needle thread on the left. So down to your mat, dip the hip, thread it through. Dip the hip, thread it through. You can do this on your knee, just like that. Okay, be nice and deliberate with your moves. You can stagger your feet, or you can stack them. Very good. All right. Next move is going to be a one-leg bicycle on the left, okay? So here. Twist it. Good times. Twist. All right, awesome job. I think we've got that side plank hip dip on the right. Yep, with that needle thread. So come up either to your hip, dip it, thread it through. Dip it, thread it through, okay? Or you can stagger those feet. Try to keep that elbow right under your shoulder. You can stack your feet. Very good. One leg bicycles on the right. Okay. Come up to that right side. You don't have to have a huge range of motion with this to be very effective. Really twist. Get those obliques. Next, we'll go into some side-to-side toe, or heel touches, rather. So just like this, okay? Get those shoulders off the ground. You can go out and in, if that's a little more challenging. So 2 outside touches, 2 inside heel touches. Burning all over. Almost there. Awesome work. All right, toe touch crunches with a reverse crunch are next. So, toes up in the air. Reverse crunch. Toes up. Reverse crunch. Toes up. Reverse crunch. getting close. Brutal. All right, back to the beginning with that banana split. All right, roll it. If you're new to doing these, just roll it back and forth and balance. If you are intermediate, come here, start, sit up, then try again. Okay, if you're doing the cherry on top, ooh, I missed it. There's the cherry. All right, side plank hip dip on the left. It's our final round of this. Wonder if you can see me. There we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right, one leg goes on the left. Always a good time with the one leg bicycles. And maybe you have trouble getting your shoulders off the ground, so maybe you just come here at first, okay? Exhale on that contraction. Three, 2, and 1. Awesome. Side plank hip dip on the right. It's a pretty easy progression too. Remember? My mat is getting slippery. Walk that hand up. Good sweat today. Then we'll have those bicycles on the right, unfortunately. Awesome job. All right. Whew. Oh, nice. Okay. Right leg in. Turning towards the right. Four, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Nice job. Side to side toe touches. Oh, excellent. All right, here we go. Whew. Then we'll do those toe touch crunches with a reverse crunch. This is going to hurt. Awesome. 2, 1. You have 5 seconds before this last exercise. Okay, you can do it. So crunch up to the toes. Push it up. Crunch. The more deliberate, the more robotic you are about these movements, the more precise you will be. Lift those hips. One more time. Awesome job, guys. All right, guys, we are ready for that cool down. Let's just go side to side, reaching and lengthening that spine first. One more each side, and then we'll hold. Hold on the right for me, probably the left for you if you're mirroring me. And hold on the left or your right. Awesome. All right, let's just take those arms up again. Inhale, exhale, reach them forward. You might be hearing my littlest sweetie guy coughing right now. He's homesick with me. Crawl those fingers forward. Exhale and reach them. And slowly come back up. We're going to take those legs, swing them behind us. We're going to lift the leg up and tuck it for 5. So 1, knee tuck, glute raise, 2, glute raise, 3, and 4, and 5. Then we're going to take that leg in front into a pigeon pose. All right. Opening up those hips. We've used them quite a bit today with all those kicks. You can come down to your forearms. And reach back for that back foot. If this does not work for you, you could always do a quad stretch standing up or a chair-assisted quad stretch. Awesome. Release that. Back into plank. Send that left leg up. Under. 2, 3, 4, 5. And send it back. Send it front is what I meant. Get loose there. Take it down for a few breaths. Walk it back up. Reach for those toes if you're able. If not, hit that quad stretch standing up. Awesome job. Release that. We are going to go back into a plank. So walk it back up to that plank. Lower gently into a cobra stretch. Getting that lower back nice and worked out here. Keep those shoulders away from the ears. Kind of work into your neck here gently. Making some half circles, making sure you're nice and relaxed there.
Activity completed.
And now before we're done, I want to do one last stretch, and that is the baby cobra. So we're going to just get those forearms right behind our chest. We're going to lift the chest up, and you should feel this stretch right in your abs. If you don't, walk them out a little bit more here. Release. Let's do that one more time. All right, release it. Hands to the side. Back into plank. Shift the hips back and up. Into a downward facing dog and bicycle out those feet. And walk those hands back to your feet. One last little hamstring stretch here. Heel toe in. And roll it back up. You guys are all finished. Great Sledgehammers. Crushing this Quickboxing ab bonus workout. All right, guys, great job crushing this Quickboxing workout with a little bit of an ab bonus, which was a lot more brutal than I had anticipated. So hope you enjoyed that. Now you need to go have a big glass of water. You need to get a healthy post-workout meal on your plate. Please contact us at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com or comment down below if you have any questions about what a healthy post-workout meal might be. Also, if you are looking for a more detailed and personalized diet nutrition plan, please also contact us at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com. We are doing some online coaching for nutrition now, as well as the other fun things that we are doing on Patreon and on YouTube. So catch us in all those places. Please tell your friends about us, share the wonderful progress that you've made, and send them our way so that we can help them meet their goals. And other than that, just have an awesome week. Stretch some more if you need to. Know how very loved you are and how amazing your body is. Whether you like how it looks or functions today or not, it is amazing and doing so many things that you probably aren't even thinking about. So anyway, have an awesome day and awesome week, guys. I hope you enjoyed your sledgehammer workout, and whether you felt like it was quick boxing or whether you felt like it took forever because it was so difficult, it is your health today and every day, and you got through it. So you better hit it hard. Boom! Have an awesome week, guys, and I will see you for the next brutal workout.